Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As usual, I want to present material about grammar, especially a complex grammar. For today, I want to present about direct and indirect speech. Okay, let's continue to the material. What is a direct speech, or we can say reporting speech? There are two ways of reporting what somebody said: direct speech and indirect or reported speech. So reported speech had uh, two two kind of reporting speech. There are direct speech and indirect speech. So I would like to explain about direct speech. What is a direct speech? Indirect speech indirect speech, we use the speaker own word. For example, in text we put speech marks around the word spoken. Speech marks are also get inverted comma. And what is a indirect speech? Indirect speech, or sometimes called reported speech, we do not use the exact word of the speaker. Instead, we report what was said. We sometimes need to change pronoun and verb tenses. We don't use speech mark. For example, I'm going home. Helen said she was going home. Alright, so we don't put the speaker in the sentence. Right. Next, punctuating direct speech. When using direct speech in your writing, you need to use the correct punctuation. The exact words spoken must be included in speech mark. So you put speech mark in the sentence. The first word of the speech must begin with a capital letter. Your sentence must contain capital letters in the first of word. The word in the speech mark must be separated from the rest of the sentence by a comma. So when you make a direct speech, you must put a comma and in the rest if the sentence contain the rest sentence. Okay, you and for the last, you must use a new line when a speaker begin to speak. Okay, new line, it's mean the sentence couldn't continue. You must giving a new line for a new speaker. So when you write the sentence, when the speaker and speaker conversation, giving a different line for different speaker. Alright. Next, how to using speech in your writing. Using speech in fiction and non-fiction writing adds variety. However, writing out long piece of direct speech can make your writing confusing. It also slows down the action. So, why we use speech in our writing? Because to less the confused. So to make you unconfused to your writing in indirect and direct speech is very important. Reported speech can summarize what the speaker has said, so that the action move along more quickly. Your writing and your story can be quickly and more clearly. Report speed is useful when you want to contrast between what a character said and what he or she is thinking. Okay, to make a difference between two objects or two character. And what is the advantages and disadvantages of each type of speech. We have advantages and disadvantages for direct and indirect speech. Number one, indirect speech can show what a character is like, but indirect speech can be summarized briefly so that it does not slow down and pace of the action. So that is the advantages of direct and indirect speech. Long speech can be boring. That is disadvantages of direct speech, and it can show contrast between what a character is saying and what he or is thinking. That is advantages of indirect speech. Too many speakers can confuse the reader. Okay, direct speech can make the reader confused about what they read. Direct speech can add variety to writing. Direct speech can make your writing in many or a variety mean. Okay, so that's not goal of your writing. And for the last one, there's a summary. In your writing, use mainly report speed. Use direct speed only to emphasize the main point your character make. Don't bore and confuse your reader by writing out long conversation between your character. Direct speed should be used sparingly. It is most effective when only the most forceful statements are put into direct. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.